What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your notification settings on Microsoft Teams. So first, you may want to run or access your Microsoft Teams application on your desktop. And from there, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, just click on the three dot icon beside your profile icon. Then click on Settings. And in the left panel, just switch to Notifications and Activity. So from here, you can pretty much edit and customize everything about your app's notifications and activity. You have an option to mute all notifications, except of course for calls and meetings, just by toggling this button on or off. You also have an option to customize your notification sounds if you want sounds to play with notifications for calls, requests, and meetings, and if you want to turn off sounds when you're busy or in a meeting. You can also customize display settings on which contents do you want to show up and how it should show up. You can also customize notification settings for missed activity emails and community emails, and of course, chat message notifications and how you want it to show up, and mentions, likes and reactions, and of course, meetings notifications. If you want to get notified when a meeting starts, you can toggle this on. And if you want to receive notifications for meeting chats, and lastly, of course, is the meeting now start notifications. You can just toggle this on or off. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!